I'm gonna talk about this project that is in a residential area. Very nice with a street both ways here, residential street. There is a very busy street all the way here, famous, called El Camino Real. So we have El Camino Real in this area. But the house itself, let's talk about the house. We have, this is the front side of the property line. This is the back property line. You see, all this is the property line, and this is the setback, front yard, backyard. We have here side yard. We have like around 5 feet. Those are the setbacks here in Redwood City. 5 feet. This house something. This property has something very peculiar, and is that in the past there was a pocket park here, neighborhood pocket park, and the access to that pocket park was through here. So there is the other neighbor, the house of the other neighbor. So this was the access from all the neighbors to go to this pocket park. The city decided to close this pocket park, and the city divided this pocket park and divided into equally into neighbors. So this neighbor, my client, the property used to end here. Then when they divided that park, she earned or she gained this section, and each property gained their section. The only thing is that this property and this other one, they share this driveway, so they both can use this driveway. And what they did is, the previous owner, when they decided to get rid of this one car garage and convert it into a den, they now created a 2-car garage here in the back. Kind of strange, because you come here from this main street, then you have to get into this shared driveway, and then it's a very sharp turn to be able to park here. Or another way you can do is, you come here, get in here, and probably do this way and backing up. It's kind of weird, but that's how they have this garage. So again, these are the walls, the existing walls. So as you can see, we're gonna remodel the kitchen. We have kitchen, that's too big. We have here a kitchen. This is what became a den, or I label as family room, but in reality it's not a family room. There is no access from the living room, and this is here the living room and dining room. There is a door that opens 360 degrees and takes you to bedroom number 1, 2, and 3. And then here we have wall. All this is a wall. Here we have this is the mechanical room. There's the access to mechanical room, access from the side yard to the kitchen area. And then this is the main entrance. We have the driveway, the walkway to the main entrance. This is a porch, covered porch. So, and there is a fireplace here. Now, if you know, in California, a lot of cities, the fire places that are gas fireplaces or regular fireplaces, they are banned. So you either have an electrical insert or just have your heater. But so with what we want to do here, she wants an open space, but still she wants to have a home office. So the design idea that I have here for this project is that we have this line here, a line to this entrance. I want to keep this wall because we're not gonna have the fireplace going bye-bye, but I'm going to have a little insert and electrical fireplace insert to have that beautiful, nice, warm feeling when you are sitting here in the living room. You can place your seats the way you want here. And here we have the dining room. So I am going to demolish this wall. All these are going away. I'm gonna shift this door. I'm gonna move it over here. And then by doing that, what I'm gonna do is, by demolishing those walls, I'm gonna have then a wall here, the new insert, and we're gonna have her home office, that this is enough space for her home office, and all this is gonna be her kitchen. So all this space is gonna be social area, and what she's going to have will be all this is gonna be her social area. Other thing that we're gonna do is this second bathroom you see here, this bathroom, right? That one has a, sorry about that, that one has a bathtub here and a shower, and here's the toilet, and here's the sink. So we don't need this. We don't need that. So this is gonna go bye-bye. This is gonna go away. So what we're gonna do is she wants to have a stackable washer and dryer. So we're going to have here, sorry about the color, but what I'm gonna have here is, we're gonna close this opening here of the shower, and it's gonna become stackable washer and dryer. Then the garage that they added, the previous owner added over here, is very big. It's an oversized garage. By zoning code here in California, we need a garage. The minimum dimensions is 20 feet. Stops right where this dash line is. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna incorporate all this area that right now is the garage area to the master bathroom. So we're gonna have in the master bathroom, what we're gonna have is, I'm gonna have a master bathroom in this area and a walk-in closet in this other area. It was strange because if you see, like I explained in the past, how all this was laid out by the previous owners. The previous owners, you were able to get in here to the master bathroom. There is this door here that you see. You keep going, and there is another door that is not drawn in this existing site plan or layout. And then you go out to the garage. So that's kind of strange that you have to access the garage through the master bedroom. So what I'm gonna do is, here, what I'm planning to do is, I'm gonna open a door here. I'm gonna shift the door, and I know there's not gonna be access directly to the kitchen, but that's the only option we have because the garage is so far. The garage is right here. Sorry. This is the garage, and this is the kitchen. I don't want to do this access through the master bedroom. That's not gonna work. So we're gonna go outside, and there is another access here to go to the house. Okay, so this is the layout. So like I explained on the previous screen, we have here so we have the main access. We moved the insert and now is centered right here in the living room. we have as focal point the dining room here. We have this open space. All this becomes the kitchen. So all this is the kitchen, you see, right? Okay, we have this access here from the side yard. When she parks in the driveway here, there's the existing driveway that originally this house had is still there, so she's gonna keep parking there. So here she parks her car, comes down and walks and gets into her kitchen through here. This is her office space. So we're gonna have on this office space, we're gonna have pocket doors, double pocket doors that open on each side, that way and that way. And she has her private space where she can have her Zoom meetings and presentations. But she loves cooking, so this is her kitchen. We have pantry, double pantry here. We have upper cabinets and lower cabinets. Here's a drawer. This one is a drawer microwave. Then we have another pantry here, the big refrigerator, wall cabinets and base cabinets. We have a beautiful range, and we deleted the windows that we had here, and now we have a nice window that opens to a big deck that we have here in the back, and we're gonna have a serving area here on this deck. And here's the sink, and then we have here a wine refrigerator, and this big island where you can interact with when she's cooking, but at the same time there's enough space here for a nice and beautiful dining room and the living room. You come out, when you get out of this area, you have this nice deck, wood deck, and it will be at the same level as the house, so it's like an extension to the house. When you come over here, we have now this stackable washer and dryer for her, and you access to your bedroom. So when you come to your master bedroom, I added two French doors here that she can access to this deck, outdoor deck. She comes here, and as a focal point, you see here, when this door opens, the first thing we'll see is a wall, but my idea is that I'm gonna have an accent light here, and there's gonna be a beautiful art that she got from Morocco. And so it will be a beautiful focal point when she gets into her bedroom, having that beautiful art right here. And on one side we have the walk-in closet, and on this other side we have her master bathroom. There is no access to the garage from the master bedroom like in the past. We have this door that comes out of the garage, and yes, it goes to the backyard, but in reality she will never gonna use this garage. It's gonna have other function, and she always parks here and easy access to the kitchen. So this is the final layout, and this is the approved plans. You can see I have some revisions. So this is the final set. We have the existing site plan, the demolition plan where I explain all what we're gonna remove. We have the proposed layout, the elevations and details since we're gonna modify some areas and roof lines, the electrical plan, the new electrical plan for all the proposed areas and altered areas, the sections, the kitchen sections, the kitchen design, details for electrical. They need to see the distance between outlets, needs to be by code. The structural plans, how our engineer is reinforcing all the walls, all the areas that we're demolishing. We have again more structural. In California, it's very important, the Title 24. It's called Energy Calculations regarding the project, and is how to save energy with the wall construction and windows and details and California green. Here are some presentations or renderings we created for this kitchen layout. This is the big window that will serve to that outdoor space or deck. Another view, how we're gonna address the corners. The view from the dining room when you're coming from the bedrooms. Let's have one look before demolition.